It is mid-April. The early flowering daffodils have finished flowering and have been taken over by the late flowering ones like acropolis and white meadow. It is also the time of the year that the tulips are starting to burst into flower. In spring, when the greens are vivid and fresh and the light is soft, I like a soft color scheme with whites, pale yellows and soft apricots. Hello and welcome back to my garden. The garden is looking so lovely at the moment with the tulips in flower. This is a variety named Hakoon. Very simple but elegant flower, but I think they're really pretty. I've dotted them around here between the box domes and in the border behind me, as well as alongside the path, and I think it looks really beautiful. I will leave them in the soil and hopefully they will return and flower again next year. Unfortunately, my other tulips that are planted in containers aren't doing so well. Most of them got hit by a fungal disease, meaning that they don't flower and the foliage is dying back, so I've lost those bulbs. I think it's probably because of the wet weather last year, resulting in a very poor bulb quality. So therefore I'm going to enjoy these ones that are performing very well even more. The tulips are dancing in the garden, twinkling like little lights. The whites standing out with the backdrop of the vivid greens from the new growth of the boxwood. The flowers are simple but elegant. After a light rain shower, the snails come out from their hiding places and finding their way into my terracotta pots with violas. This is a daffodil named Acropolis. It has these gorgeous double white flowers with a wonderful fragrance. And the best thing is, they don't need any staking at all. I think they're absolutely amazing. In the border at the back of my garden, near the wooden bench, the Spanish hyacinths start to flower. Combined with some of the hellebores that are still flowering, it gives a woodland feeling. The first geums start to flower, and with their bright orange apricots, they're slowly adding more color to the garden. Some of the tulips are flopping underneath the weight of the rain that hits the flower heads. Slowly but steadily, my little friend is making his way into my violas. I don't know why, but at this moment I do not seem to mind at all, and I'm happy sharing my garden with him. I hope you all have a wonderful spring and enjoy this video. I will end the video with a few bloopers. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you next time. Hier denk ik. But most of the tulips are blah. And it's raining. They are blah. And they died blah. I'm going to enjoy these ones that are performing very well at the fullest. Shit. Oh. Hey. Een vliegtuig. Jij ook weg. Gek. I planted a lot of them in containers, but most of these ones even more. I will geen idee. The garden is looking so lovely at the moment with the airplane. Ja, we gaan nog een poging wagen. Nee, oh. Unfortunately, my other tulip. Meaning that they don't flower and the. Oh. Oh. Poten doen zeer. Yes! Oh, thank God! This is a daffodil named Acropolis. Geen idee wat ik wou zeggen. Oh nee. Oh, zon. Mooi. Okay, let's do that.